Global warming is reshaping the Arctic at an unprecedented pace. Today, the Arctic is warming at roughly 4 times the global average. While satellite observations show sea ice coverage has fallen to historic lows, scientists are sounding the alarm if current trends continue. As many as 2/3 of the world's roughly 26,000 polar bears could vanish by 2050. However, new research offers a glimmer of hope for polar bears. Studies suggest they are fighting for survival through what researchers describe as a genetic revolution and rare forms of social behavior. A research team from the University of East Anglia in the United Kingdom has confirmed that the genomes of wild mammals can undergo rapid changes as temperatures rise. In southeastern Greenland, so-called jumping genes within polar bear DNA have become unusually active, likely a survival response to the loss of sea ice. Among polar bears living in relatively warmer regions, gene activity related to heat stress, metabolism, and fat processing shows a direct correlation with climate warming. As sea ice continues to melt, polar bears are being forced to alter both their hunting grounds and dietary habits. In southeastern Greenland, they have begun consuming more plant-based food, accompanied by genetic changes in regions associated with fat metabolism. In addition, Canadian research teams have documented an extremely rare phenomenon, adoption, in which female bears take in unrelated orphan cubs. This maternal behavior may increase cub survival rates and represents a form of social adaptation under extreme environmental pressure. Nevertheless, scientists emphasize that polar bears' genetic and behavioral adaptability has limits and cannot fully offset the impacts of climate change. Dr. Gordon warns that this phenomenon is both a sign of resilience and a stark warning. Humanity must act immediately to reduce carbon emissions and slow global warming. Otherwise, polar bears face a grim risk of extinction. The research team's next step is to expand their scope, studying 20 additional polar bear populations worldwide. The polar bear's relentless struggle to survive is issuing an urgent call for humans to take swift and decisive action to slow the pace of global warming.